I made a video on why you shouldn't get the Beats Solo Pro. It was a controversial video. I told you that I shall be returning my flawed Beats, and I will tell you how that goes. Well, it didn't go to plan. Apple saw there was a flaw and then invited me to their Apple store in the heart of Regent Street to help diagnose the problem. We went there and talked to them. They confirmed there was a flaw with the hinge, which debunks rumours that I was making this video up, and they agreed to give me a replacement, which I unboxed on the 3rd of November. And after I got the new headphones, did I live happily ever after? No. My next pair of headphones were even more flawed. Let me explain. The right ear cup works perfectly, but the left ear cup does not emit any sound. Two of the 5 pairs I have interacted with have had faulty, squeaking hinges, and only 1 out of the 5 I have interacted with have been half decent. It's time Apple pulls their act together and admits the Beats Solo Pro are flawed. On Sunday, I will be having a phone call with Apple, and I hope they will agree a refund with me. To get my updates on how that goes, remember to subscribe and smack that like button. That's all from me this week. See you next week, guys. Bye bye.